Autumn. You're so beautiful. Look up here. How beautiful. Okay, it's a Cheerio. You want a Cheerio?
Cheerio. Cheerio, Daddy-o.
Hey, you want a Cheerio? Want a Cheerio like the big kids at daycare? Here, you want this one? This is going really well. You want a Cheerio? How about one? One Cheerio for you. Try again.
Daddy have a Cheerio.
Look, Mom and Daddy are each going to have a Cheerio. Yeah, except Daddy misses his big mouth. Delicious. Like, very good.
Good girl.
I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that, she says.
This is her first time with a bow in her hair.
Oh, look how cute. She's always beautiful. You want to try another one? That one went on the floor. Yeah, we like the feel of them. We can put them in our fingers. Good girl. That's very good. Very good. Love you. Love you. It's in my sleeve. Mommy will help me get it out. Here. Not the can. Okay, very nice. Very pretty. Want to try with this hand?
It's time for my close-up. Woo!
Whoops. Okay, one more. Okay, here. One more. Okay, no, one more. Here you go.
Yay!
Okay, bones away.
She dropped it.
Bones away. Okay, want Mommy to put it on here? No? Oh, yes? Yes? Okay, wait, I'm going to put it on the spoon.
Yeah, on the spoon. On the spoon.
Look, here's some. On a spoon. No? Just finished 2 jars of baby food. This might not be the right time. It's almost in. There it goes. There it goes. No, came back out. It came out. You want to try it right there? You want to try that? Yeah. Right there. Okay. Put down my shirt. Okay. All right, say bye. Say happy Valentine's Day. I'll see everybody tomorrow when I'm dressed in red. Good girl. Good girl. Okay.